This little tutorial is about dividing using the box method. It's very much like long division that we learned back in the day, but only instead of being vertical, this one is more horizontal. All right, so we have 7,645 as our dividend divided by our divisor of 3. So how many 3's will divide into 7? That will be 2. Then 2 times 3 is 6. And 7 subtract 6 is 1. We have 1 left over, so we bring it up here next to the 6. And that becomes 16. So we ask ourselves, how many 3's will divide into 16? That will be 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. And the difference between 16 and 15 is 1. So the 1 that we have left over, we bring it up here, next to the 4. So we ask ourselves, how many 3's will divide into 14? That would be 4. 4 times 3 is 12. And the difference between 14 and 12 is 2. So a remainder of 2 comes up here and gets placed next to the 5, and that becomes a 25. And then we ask ourselves from there, how many 3's will divide into 25? And that will be 8. Whatever we put up top and multiply times our 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. And the difference between 25 and 24 is 1. So our final quotient is 2,548, remainder 1. This remainder 1 here is where we get the remainder 1 there. Also remember, a really quick way to check your cells before your teacher gets to it is you do the inverse operation. So you take your quotient of 2,548, you multiply it by 3, then you add on the remainder. If you get the dividend of 7,645, then you know you got your answer correct.